It does make a difference, doesn't it? That side, so up that angle there and along there, that lot, and the glass and the plastic on the outside took 20 minutes. So the outside's going to get done pretty quick. Now the next bit I'm going to do is these odd shaped pieces, and I will film that because it's the only bit where I can get the tripod far enough away to be able to see the roof because of the angle. So I'll actually stick the camera on the tripod and then you can see what I'm up to. And I thought, well, it's an outside video, it should be for the garden channel. And then I thought, actually this is where we look after the orchids. You know, this is affecting light levels and all stuff like that. It's an orchid video, so you will get an orchid video. Yay! I don't know when I'll post it, you know, I've still got to process it. But yeah, I'm working around to this bit now, which I will film. So you get to see what I'm up to and how I got at the roof and everything and risked life and limb. But it does make a difference. And like I said, it shows up where I've got to do a bit of work on the inside, like there, because that's obviously not outside. The only thing I didn't do right there was clean out the gutters. Can't be bothered. It was really manky right there. That's where all the stuff comes off the roof. Anyway, we'll film this bit.